Hey guys, it's Nolan, and today me and Olivia are at Albion Falls, and we just found this really cool hangout spot, you know? We're gonna do a Q&A while sitting down here.
A Q&A?
Start sending in your questions.
Yep.
This mosquito has been following me around.
Okay.
The only time a female will ever wanna suck me.
That's the tea, sis.
It's still buzzing around me! Get her, she's sweeter. I'd love to wear lederhosen. I think I could really rock one.
Oh my god, you should come to Oktoberfest. Do you know what Oktoberfest is, sis?
I've had the sausages. Oh, there's a frog in it. Just went under that rock.
It's right there.
These mosquitoes are big.
Okay, bye, Froggy.
We have to cross the river.
Oh my god.
They're coming for us.
I was born for this moment. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I know. Okay, there's this scene in Lord of the Rings.
Actually, in Game of Thrones. I'm wearing my miraculous medal, so Mary is protecting me. Mother of God, thank you.
Okay. Nolan, why'd you go that way? There's a path right here. Nolan? Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Oh my god, Nolan. It's like an alien campsite. I feel something evil has happened here too. What is going on here, Nolan? Oh my god, it's the Tim Hortons! Oh my god.
O-R. What does that mean?
Oh my god.
What does that mean?
Oh my god. Nolan. Nolan, do you know what this means?
It means O-R was here.
Who's O-R?
I don't know. I think if we stick around long enough, we'll find out, but I don't want to stick around that long.
10 seconds. Is she ready?
Okay. Let's go sit down.
Here we go. Oh my god!
So good.
Okay, my dad grew up in the same like area of Germany that Doofenshmirtz did.
What was the name of it?
I think he was from Dusseldorf.
Dusseldorf.
Yeah, and that's where my dad is from.
Does he know?
He knows.
Doofenshmirtz?
He knows Doofenshmirtz. Sister. Oh my god, how many times are we gonna say sister today? Sis is shook. Sis?
Sis.
Sis.
We're here for you, sis. Sis is shook.
Sis. That's the tea, sis. I'm sister shook right now. Okay.
Yeah, but
It's not working, sis.